watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello again, crafty friends. It is Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and it is time for another Cricut mystery box. Now, this box is Cricut's Glammed Up Joy mystery box, so it will have joy themed items in here, but everything that's in this box you can use regardless of what Cricut machine you have. And let's talk about the cutie that's in this box for a second, because yes, this is a repeat cutie. This cutie came out in 2025, but this is, it's so tough. This is my favorite cutie. There's only two cutie colors made in this style, and this one is my favorite. So I was so happy to see that we have another release with this cutie. So what cutie is it? It is the Dream Cutie. Yes, this is one of the ombres. There's only two ombres, which is Sunset and this one here. It goes like bluish to purplish to reddish. Kind of like a galaxy, you know? So when I said there's ombre, we only have two ombre ones so far, which is the Dream one. And then right by my cherries right there, the red that goes red, orange to yellow, that is the Sunset Cutie. So if you did not get your hands on Dream before, make sure and jump and grab this box, because these special ombre cuties will go fast. And because there's a cutie in the box, you do have to be Cricut Access to purchase. And in our links below of our video, you can always get the links to not only purchase the box, but see all the benefits of Access and join Access too. Now, also in the box, which I love, if you know me, you've seen me make these many times, tote bags. We are getting the medium Cricut tote bag. So this is 13.5 by 14 inches. These are great for you, but these are also great for gifts. So it's perfect. We're getting two. That way you can make one for yourself and you can make one for a gift, or you can just make two for yourself, or you can make two for gifts. But two medium tote bags. And then we need stuff to decorate said tote bags, right? So let's start with the sparkly. We are getting a tube of the glitter aqua smart iron-on. So this is for the Cricut Joy. Now, any of these smart iron-ons I mentioned, you can use them matless if you use the Joy with them, but you can still use them on any other machine. You will just go ahead and put the material right onto a mat and cut it. So that will be the same for all of the iron-on, which we got a bunch of iron-on in here. And that's 5.5 by 19 inches. And then we're gonna get the same thing, but in the black glitter. So we have some black sparkly. And we're also gonna get a box of the gold glitter smart iron-on too. And I love these sampler boxes. We're gonna get a box of the elegant sampler. So there's gonna be 3 sheets in here. Each sheet's gonna be 5.5 by 12 inches. And then this one's gonna contain red, white, and black. And again, smart iron-on. So with a Joy, use it matless. Any other machine, just go ahead and put it on a mat. Now we're also gonna get the deep sampler. So within this, you're gonna get deep sea foam, deep lilac, and deep sea mist. And then here's a closer look at those colors, which that front there is that deep sea foam, which I am obsessed with. I love that. Perfect like peacock color, I'd say, like that dark teal. And then we have dark lilac, or deep lilac, in deep sky also. And then another sampler. Now this is the classic sampler. So you're gonna get black, silver, and gold in here. Next, we're gonna get a tube of the bright teal smart iron-on. And this is gonna be 5.5 inch by 24 inches. Again, smart material. And then we're also gonna get a box of the smart iron-on also. Oh, in mustard. Help if I told you the color. This is in mustard. And last in the box, but not least, because I need this. I actually need this for a project now. I have an order from Cricut. I'm waiting to arrive because I need this. So I was very happy that we're getting some heat-resistant tape. Yes, that way you can go ahead and tape down things on your project when you press them. Super good, especially when layering too. When you really want to make sure you hold down that project specifically, or say you're doing like infusible ink coasters and you want to tape that, or doing a hat or making mugs or anything. And within that box, we got 3 rolls actually of the heat resistant tape. Ends up being 52 feet worth of heat resistant tape. So you can make many projects with that. So that is everything that's in Cricut's Glammed Up Joy mystery box. And the price of that box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, but that is before your Access discount. Now to purchase the box, we do have the links below in the video description, and also check out those links because you know I always put the giveaways going on there. And actually, today we have 3 different chances of winning within our Cricut Design Space group. First, we have our giveaway going on in the group, which one member is going to win $150 to spend at Cricut. Then we have our monthly crafting challenge going on, where one member is going to win $100 to spend at Cricut. And there's not many entries for that at all, so make sure you go ahead and enter that too. And we also have an additional one we're doing, a super fun one called a group hop. And we're having a superhero group hop going on now. So what is that exactly? That is us and 4 other Cricut groups on Facebook are all running this giveaway together. So you'll post your superhero projects and you can post it in all 5 of our groups. And then each one of the groups is going to pick a $100 winner for Cricut. So right now we have $350 worth of Cricut giveaways going on now. So make sure you guys enter because those are all coming to an end soon. So enter before they're gone. And as always, we greatly appreciate you guys joining us. And if you could, go ahead, give us the like and throw us a comment. Let me know, do you have the Dream Cutie already? Or did it sell out? Because I know when the Dream Cutie came out, that sold out quick. People love these different ombre ones. I hope there's more ombre ones in my future. I was so happy when I first seen an ombre one. I was like, it was like a kid on Christmas morning. I'm not even kidding. So hopefully we get more because those are really fun, Cricut. And it'd be really fun to add some glitter to it. I fully want to customize all these cuties. I mean, there's so many possibilities. And as always, we greatly, greatly appreciate you guys. Me and Alex both do, and all the members of our Melody Lane Inspired team. And special shout out to our admins who help being rock stars every day and our Patreon members. Well, crafty friends, until next time, I hope your week is filled with happy, happy crafting and all those things that just make your heart happy, honestly. And we will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.